In this video, I will show you how to reset DNS in GoDaddy. First of all, you need to log into your account and go to your profile in the top right corner, then go to your products page. Then you need to look at the left menu and go to the domains. After that, you need to choose the domain for which you want to reset the DNS. For example, let's choose this one and click Manage DNS. Then you need to scroll down, but before you will start resetting your DNS, you can create a template, the backup. So just click Actions right here, go to Manage DNS Templates, then click Add right here, name it, for example, Test 1, click Save. Then you can start adding records from the scratch manually, or you can just select it from the domain and click Apply. So we have created the DNS template. Now we can go back, just go to this page again. And if you want to apply the DNS template, you can just scroll the settings down. Here will be DNS templates. You can go here and just choose the template and click apply button right here, guys. And now we can go back and start resetting your DNS. You can delete all the records that are deletable, so you can see the trash icons right here. Some of them can be deleted, some of them can't. Just delete the records that are deletable. You can also click the pencil icons right here and edit the values. So that's how you can reset your DNS settings. But if you will have some issues in the process, you can just click the help center in the top right corner and directly contact the GoDaddy support, and they will assist you and help you to solve your problem. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.